and the first thing that hits you is the color. A dizzying collision of turmeric yellow, raspberry pink, and deep cobalt blue. The streets don't follow a straight line, they twist, they turn, they climb at impossible 45-degree angles, making you feel like you've stumbled into a painting. You walk past cascading facades, each painted with a vibrant life, and you hear it, the bright, brassy swell of a mariachi trio, playing a rhythm that sounds both joyful and deeply melancholic, bouncing off the ancient plaster walls. This is Guanajuato, nestled deep within a central Mexican ravine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that operates on a time scale entirely separate from the rest of the world. It's a city built from the wealth of the 17th century silver rush, and that history is literally under your feet. You can wander through the main plazas, like the Jardin Union, listening to the local chatter, but the true magic is underground. Beneath the colorful surface runs an elaborate network of tunnels, converted from old mining shafts. It's a labyrinth of shadows and echoes, a journey through the subterranean pulse of the city. To really experience the scale of this place, you have to let yourself get lost, and maybe get delightfully lost. While the city is wonderfully walkable, consider the logistics. Flying into Baguio International in Leon, then taking a shuttle up to the Centro Star. Leave the car parked, the tunnels and narrow streets make driving a genuine challenge. Instead, let the funicular whisk you up to the El Pipola lookout point, where the city unfolds beneath you like a spilled jewelry box at sunset. When the day slows down, the culture takes over. Head to a rooftop Cantina Star. The smells up there are intoxicating, a mix of smoked mezcal charring nopals and the sweet earthiness of the city. And you must eat. Find a small stall serving tlayuda a crispy, delicious corn tortilla, or sample the rich, complex flavors of Oaxaca cuisine. Take a moment to wander the historic district of Teotitlan, seeing how life has persisted, adapting, right alongside the colonial grandeur. You leave Guanajuato not just with photographs, but with a sense of dizzying color and layered time. You feel the weight of the past, the hum of the present, all contained within those vibrant, ascending walls, leaving you utterly convinced that some places are less like destinations, and more like memories waiting to happen.